right? Okay, so you know about the syllabus well, right or not? You know the portions well, right? So from our microeconomics textbook, there are 2 chapters are there for the examination. That is introduction. Okay, from the chapter introduction, we discussed various factors related with what are the differences between microeconomics and macroeconomics, micro and macroeconomics. Okay, and normative and positive economics, normative and positive economics. Clear? And market economy and a command economy, market economy and a command economy. So such kind of important things we discussed in the classroom, and I already delivered the notes also. So learn that properly. Clear? And from the second chapter, we know that there are various things are there from microeconomics second chapter, the consumer behavior that is starting from the differences between the cardinal utility and the ordinal utility analysis. Okay, first of all, we know that what is utility and what are the differences between cardinal utility and ordinal utility. Okay, and related with the cardinal utility, we studied about diminishing marginal utility. That's the main point that is connected with the cardinal utility approach, the total utility and marginal utility, the law of diminishing marginal utility, right? Yes or no? Any doubt in that? No. Okay. And coming to ordinal utility analysis, we know, or we use the different bundles to compare the purchasing capacity of different consumers. Okay, so we used in the textbook, basically we used one particular bundle constitute of bananas and mangoes, and we discussed about what is an indifference curve. Learn that properly, indifference curve. Okay, and the construction of indifference curve, a number of equations also we learned there, right? And the properties of an indifference curve, that is very important. Properties of an indifference curve, features of an indifference curve, right? Okay, no doubt in that. The thing is there in the textbook properly, and in the note also, and in the notes also the things are mentioned properly. Learn that well. Clear? Indifference curve. Next, monotonic preferences. Okay, if you want to write down somewhere. Okay, so don't expect that I am going to give the entire question paper or a question to you people or something like that. Not like that. So some important aspects we are discussing today and might coming for the examination. Okay, if it is so, you are ready to write that. I'm thinking so, right? You know that all those things. Okay, and next one, indifference curve completed. Next one, monotonic preferences. Next, we are coming to budget. Okay, budget constraint, budget set, budget line. Okay, and changes in the budget line. Right? Methods are there, equations are there. Okay, so what is that? P1 multiplied by x1 plus P2 multiplied by x2 is equal to or less than m. Okay, so that's what the equation, right? Okay, learn that properly, that equation, and almost all the aspects that related with the budget. Okay, next in that chapter, directly we jumped to another sector, another area, that is demand, right? Demand curve. Okay, what are the factors that are basically able to make changes in the demand, changes in the demand? Clear? Right. So if income and the prices remain constant, what are the other features that is, or those are able to make changes in the demand? Many other factors are there. That factors also want to learn properly. Clear? Okay. So that's what, or that is all about our microeconomics part. Only 2 chapters are there. All right. Okay. So the question paper pattern, that is a 5 1-mark questions. 5 1-mark questions. You already got that, right? Yes or no? You checked it or not? How many 3-mark questions are there?
5.
5. 5 3s are 15. So 5 plus 15, 20. 4-mark questions. How many are there? 4-mark questions.
6.
6 are there. 24 marks. 24 marks. Then 6-mark question. Only 1 question is there. Only 1 question is there. So altogether 50 mark. Okay. And constructions are there. Presentation of data that related with the construction of pie diagram. Okay. Construction of a pie diagram. That is from the chapter statistics, 4th chapter, right? What is that? Presentation of data. Presentation of data. Okay, so take it from me. What is that? What are the construction there? One is pie diagram, bar diagram, multiple bar diagram, compound bar diagram, percentage bar diagram, Want to learn how to construct all those things there. Okay, chart will maybe a table will be there in the question paper. From that table you should construct the 1 minute, construct the diagram. Okay, the same time to construct the diagram, if you people want to use graph paper, that's a must. Graph paper, you should use graph paper to construct the diagrams. For the pie diagram, it is not compulsory. For constructing pie diagram, angle should be clear, and the circle, use a protractor and a compass to draw pie diagram. Clear? Okay. Next one, construction of arithmetic line graph. Prepare arithmetic line graph. Histogram. Frequency curve and frequency polygon. And the construction of, okay, frequency curve, frequency polygon, and the construction of ogive. Both more than ogive and less than ogive. More than ogive and less than ogive. Clear? So that's from the chapter presentation of data. Okay, write 2 more questions. The specialities of a table, parts of a table. So tabular presentation, we know the number of different parts are there for a table, right? So want to learn all those parts and what are the speciality. So if you're writing answer, you don't need to go for an elaborate answer. Okay, so the important points, that enough today. Okay, I mean for this examination, the important points enough. Clear? That doesn't mean that is simply skipping all the things there. Okay, the point and the relevant 1 or 2 sentences need there. Clear? Relevant 1 or 2 sentences needed in the answer. Clear? You don't want to go for an essay or something like that. If you are writing all the answers, the 2 hours are not enough, I'm thinking, right? Nearly 1.45 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes is compulsory. It will take to complete the examination if you know the answers well, or else within 10 minutes you can finish. Okay, no problem. Clear? Understand? So that's it. And before writing the answers, read the questions properly. Clear? Read the question properly. Go for negative castings. Negative castings are there, means write the answer as per that. Clear? Understand? Okay, so that is all about presentation of data. Next one, organization of data. Different methods are there to organize the data, right? Okay, learn what are the methods we'll use to organize the data. Methods to organize the data. Different methods are there. And collection of data. Different methods to collect data. Collection of data. Different methods to collecting data. Role of National Sample Survey Organization. Role of National Sample Survey Organization. I also want to learn properly. Don't think that these questions are exactly the questions that from the question paper. Okay, nothing of that. You want to learn this properly. You want to understand these things. Okay, so from the second chapter completed. And from the first chapter. So from the second chapter, there are various methods are there to collect the data, to prepare the questionnaire, prepare the, what we can say, how to contact a interviewer, sorry, what method interviewer will use to contact people to fetch the information, such kind of methods also want to learn. Okay, many methods are there, the many methods are mentioned in the textbook, that also want to learn properly. Okay, different method using by the invigilator or interviewer to collect the data, okay, from the sample, okay, or from the individuals. Clear? Importance of national sample survey. Importance of a national sample survey. Okay, that is from the second chapter. And from the first chapter, introduction of statistics. Okay, different theories that related with the statistical analysis. Okay, Marshall's theory or Arnold's theory. Like there are various theories we are able to find in the first chapter. An introduction of different theories related with the statistics. Different viewpoints of different economists. Okay, different viewpoints of a different economists related with the statistics. Okay, these are the major part you should be learn before the examination properly. Okay, so now this is time to any explanation you want, any clarification if you want, so you can ask me, I will do that. Okay, from consumer rates, any doubts are there? Sorry, not consumer rates, consumer behavior.
So you didn't explain about that elasticity so much, right? So how about
Elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand. We required one more class. I not kept any question from that area. Okay, don't worry this time. Okay, we want to complete that area one more time. So elasticity of demand, that is related with various factors that creating changes in the demand. Changes in the demand. Okay, actually we need one more class to explain that. Okay, so don't worry about that. I am not going to keep any question from that area. So elasticity of demand is excluded this time. Okay, then
so for how much marks will construction questions come?
construction questions, that is secret, right? Okay, so maybe 2 3 will be there. You want to find it out in the question paper and answer that. That's it. Okay, so I am not ready to give the exact fixture or exact picture of the question paper. Okay, just observe it, check it. Okay, then you can do that, no worries in that. Okay, you can do that well. Okay, all you people those attend the class can do well. Okay, I cast a question paper as per the ability of you people only. You can do that well. Okay, then don't worry. Then what about the first examination? You did well. Answers. Don't go for many sentences. Okay, just exactly what is the answer. Just write down that and finish it. Okay. So writing answers, the question numbers are important. Question numbers are important. Okay. Question number, write properly. Don't go for a jumble order or something like that. It's difficult to correct the paper. Clear? So if you're going also, no worries in that, but try to write in an order there. Okay. And if you're taking the photographer an order wise, you want to keep page number for each page. Page number for each pages. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that order, you should take the photograph and send me. Clear or not? Or else jumble form means it will take much time. Okay. And so from we are correcting the paper from a small screen now, so it will create a trouble for the eyesight also. Okay, already old people. Okay, and you are again creating problem for our eyesight, means trouble for us, right? So in order, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, you should send the answer scripts. Okay, again one more thing you should remember, you should keep it in your mind, how many pages are there? The entire pages should be sent. Okay, you should send all the pages. If you're skipping any pages, I'm unable to keep a mark for that. Last time it happened for 10th class students. Okay, they complete the examination, the boy is studying well, and he forgot to upload the answer scripts. So how can I keep the mark? Impossible. Clear? Okay, so don't forget to post the papers, post the answer scripts. That is important. Question number also important. Writing one and I writing the answer for question number is one and writing answer for 4 means unable to keep the mark, trouble will be there, right? So exact number should be there. Okay, sub points or sub numbers, that is outside the margin, outside the margin. Clear? Okay, you know that already. You learned how to write the answers while writing the 10th class examination. The same method you can choose to write the answers there. Okay, 3 mark means minimum 4 to 6 points required. 4 to 6 points, 3 mark. Okay, 4 marks means 8 10 points are compulsory. Clear or not? And for 6 mark, 10 12. That's what. Clear? That many points must be there. And write neatly and use a good pen. Hannah Salim? Hannah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, any doubts are there, Hannah? No. All notes are there with you, right? All notes are there. Any missing notes from the statistical part? Any missing parts are there?
No, sir.
No, all are there. Okay. And from microeconomics also, both chapters are already uploaded. Okay. Then, any other troubles? So, for construction of percentage bar diagram and pie chart, calculation is must, right? You know that. So, don't make any errors in the calculation. If you are making error in the calculation, the entire construction will go wrong. Okay, so that also want to keep in your mind properly. Do not make any mistake in calculating the data. Calculating the data. Okay, and selecting the midpoint of the class intervals. That is also important. Okay, don't make any mistakes in that. If you're making mistakes, definitely you will lose your marks. Lose your marks. Clear or not? I am not going to give a or going for a liberal valuation or something like that. No chance for that. Definitely, what are the points written? I will give mark for that only. Nothing more than that. Nothing less than that. Clear? Okay. If it is 0 means I will keep, definitely I will keep a 0. There is no passion, compassion, kindness or something like that. Clear? It is 0 0 only, not to 1.5 or something like that. Okay, 0 means 0. If it is wrong means wrong. So entirely, if you're writing the answer, example, in history, we know that Jallianwala massacre that occurred in the year 1919. The date is April 13. Okay, you wrote all the things that happened in that particular day properly, and your date is changed into 1919 April 14. I will considering as the entire answer is wrong. Clear? Understand? Only that mistake that will turn the entire answer into a wrong answer. Clear? So dates are important, data are important. Then at that time, I will not show any passion or any kindness or something like that. Simply will strike out. That's not history, right? Dates are important, right? In economics, also data are important. Factors are important. Okay. Then anything else? Come on. Any suggestions? Any advices? Or any demands? Come on, fast. Shubham, completed your revision? No. So learn well, okay. Try to score the maximum. Try to score the maximum. That is the limit for us, the maximum. Then, first,
The second chapter last few portions are there, like sampling errors. Is that there?
sampling errors, right? That is deleted from the syllabus. Then, please check your notes and everything. Any doubts? Aditya, any doubts are there? Aditya is ready to write the examination at any time, point of time, right? She's waiting for the question paper. Is that correct, Aditya? Are you? Are you there, Aditya? Okay, connectivity trouble. I'm thinking I can't hear anything. Check there first. Amalraj, Ashish Binny, Grishma, turn on your camera. Grishma.
So will we have to draw any graphs for consumer behavior chapter?
No such questions are there. No construction from consumer behavior this time. Okay. I already kept some questions from presentation of data. So I excluded that from the consumer behavior. But next time I will keep. Don't worry. Now, either Aishwarya is going to learn the things in selective way, right? Huh? Production possibility curve. Aditya, that part is deleted. Production possibility. No need to learn that. The note also, and not in the note might the thing will be there, right? Production possibility. No need to learn production possibility curve and the production possibility frontier. That area is deleted from the syllabus. That is the microeconomics first chapter. Production possibility curve, PPC or PPF, production possibility frontier. Okay, that is deleted from the syllabus. Clear, Aditya? Aditya, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then hello, can you hear me now?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so small suggestion is there. Don't use any papers from your notebooks. Clear. So use the papers that is allotted from the school or A4 sheets or good pages used to write the examination. Clear. And a good ink also you should use to write the examination. Clear. Clarity should be there. If you're taking photographs also, take a good photographs. Okay. Be a good photographer. You see the lightning, not lightning, light. Okay. And try to get a good picture. Okay. Then post that. Okay. Without shadow or without blurring or something like that. Okay. So take a good photograph and send it. Anything else? Or else we'll wind up now.
That this
Tell
paper
me,
is okay.
who is this? Shubham, your
Sir,
camera
me.
is off.
No, it's on.
But I am unable to see.
Sir, I think connection problem.
I couldn't see you, man. Maybe. Okay. Tell me what kind of paper you are using?
Sir, long paper.
Yeah, that enough. Fine, fine, no problem. Okay, okay. I can see now. Then tell me. Okay, then anything else? Any other discussion, any other suggestions, or any troubles are there? An explanation? Ask me soon. So you are thorough about the syllabus, right? You know the syllabus well, and you know the technique to write the examination, and almost the question paper pattern you know now, right? Any doubt in the question paper pattern? Any doubt in the question paper pattern? Not at all, right? And the method to write the examination, you know that perfect number should be there. Okay, don't skip any questions there. Try to answer the questions as per your knowledge, as per what the things you learned. Try to answer that questions there. Don't write any rubbish there. Understand? Clear or not? No need to write any rubbish there. If you know the answer well, then only attend it. Try to attend almost all the questions. Okay, and next with the content. Okay, so go for the important points. No need to elaborate each and every point, every point, but the same sense you should understand that one or two sentences that should be there, that justifying the statement, that justifying the points. Clear or not? Understanding or not? One or two points are compulsory. Don't write simply the points. Okay, one or two sentences that compulsory related with the sub points. Clear? Everything is not needed. Clear? Anything else? Then can we wind up now? Okay. So the time to sleep, I'm thinking. Anat all wind up. Okay, ready, no problem. Okay. Anyway, best of luck for each and everyone. Those who are going to write the examination tomorrow. And pray well, learn well. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye. See you. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.